In today's digital age, a strong social media presence is non-negotiable. It's no longer just about sharing photos or connecting with friends. Social media is a powerful tool for businesses, content creators, and anyone looking to build a brand and reach a wider audience. Why? Because it provides social proof. Social proof is the idea that people are more likely to do something if they see others doing it. Think about it. When you're looking for a new restaurant, are you more likely to choose one with a handful of reviews or one with hundreds of glowing recommendations? The answer is obvious. The same principle applies to social media. When your profiles boast a large and engaged following, it signals to others that you're credible, trustworthy, and worth paying attention to. This can lead to increased brand awareness, website traffic, and ultimately sales and conversions. But building a strong social media presence takes time, effort, and often a significant financial investment. GetMyLikes is more than just another SMM panel. It's your trusted partner in social media success. We offer a comprehensive suite of services designed to elevate your online presence and help you achieve your social media goals. Whether you're looking to gain more followers, increase engagement, or simply boost your brand's visibility, we have the tools and expertise to make it happen. Our platform is incredibly easy to use, even if you're new to the world of SMM panels. Simply create an account, choose the services you need, and watch your social media metrics soar. We offer a wide range of packages to suit every budget and requirement, so you can find the perfect solution for your specific needs. But what exactly can you expect when you choose GetMyLikes? Our core services focus on enhancing the key metrics that matter most on social media, such as followers. A large and engaged following is essential for building credibility and expanding your reach. Likes. Likes are a form of social currency that demonstrate the popularity and appeal of your content. Views. High view counts indicate that your content is resonating with your target audience. Comments. Comments foster a sense of community and encourage interaction with your brand.